How to remove/replace headlight switch on Opel or Vauxhall Astra G, Zafira, Tigra, Corsa C, Combo, 1998 to 2004, in 3 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. You will need to use 2 flat blade screwdrivers and pliers. 1. Put the headlight switch in vertical position and then pull it slightly outwards, as if you were turning on the fog lights. 2. Insert a flat and thin screwdriver through the hole at the bottom of the switch and push up until you can pry the button out. I insert the screwdriver through that small hole from the switch. Then I push up that small plastic piece to release the switch. You can turn the switch on 0 position to stop the warning sound. Now you can see those 2 holes from the right and left side where you have to insert the screwdrivers. Three. Insert 2 flat blade screwdrivers next to the side clips and tighten them to pull the switch outwards using pliers. To install it back, you just have to put the switch back and then push it inside. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.